Hello everyone, welcome to this week homework, ITC 362 mobile app development. Homework 5 second activity. So pretty much for this week homework, we just got one exercise with three three different pathways to just complete our geo quiz type of thing, and we will keep just going adding some functionality to make the app works in a different way, and also showing up that the app can works in a different rotation and that kind of stuff. So the exercise one asks for keep going the chapter 7 from the textbook and rename it, open in Android Studio. The 1B asks for including a cheat activity button to clear out and make sure the user knows that if you use the cheat button is really wrong. And the C part, um, if the user um, shows up they use the cheats button at least in one question, it's already considered a cheater for all of the questions. So when the user cheats on a given question, present them with the judgment toast anytime they attempt to answer that question. When a user answer a question they have not cheated on yet, show the correct and incorrect toast accordingly. So let's get started. I'm gonna open here my Android Studio under the name life cycle still, but I'm just gonna make sure I'm just gonna open here my GitHub link real quick, and I just upload that as a second activity name. So as soon as you gotta check this whole piece of functionality, you can go as second activity on my little G Bloomer GitHub profile on Guilherme Bloomer section. Okay, so just making that clear and coming here in the Android Studio, I'm just gonna go ahead and start it and show that there is everything works as was supposed to do. Just gonna take a second, no errors recorded. I'm just gonna make the phone gets a little bit bigger. I switch to the Pixel 3a to just change some experience. Okay, so there is the question here. Canberra is the capital of Australia. If I doesn't know the question is true, or even if I knew if the question could be false, I press the cheat button. And the message here, are you sure you want to do this? Like, are you actually gonna cheat and know the answer? And I'm gonna press the show answer button, and they will come back and true. Yes, they give me the answer true. So I just press back here in the back button here on the top and got back here on Canberra is the capital of Australia. Now I know 100% is true. But it comes here with a toast showing that cheating is wrong. As soon as I keep clicking here on true, cheating is wrong. If I press here on false, cheating is wrong as well. So if I go next question, the Pacific Ocean is larger than an Atlantic Ocean. If I press true, it's gonna show correct. This time I'm not using the cheat button. If I press false, it's gonna show incorrect as the pretty standard that we've been applying for those type of things since the last couple weeks class so far. So if I keep pressing here the cheat button and press true or false, it's gonna be showing here the toast and all that. If I keep going here and press the true button and keep going to the last question, I believe it's gonna show up everything here until I got here the very first question and show that cheating is wrong. So it is what it is. I can come back here and show the answer, and it's gonna give me true again. So I got back here, and if I press true, it's gonna show that cheating is wrong. And just to keep the same standard, I'm gonna rotate the screen and to make sure that everything works perfectly fine here in the normal screen. I'm gonna close the application real quick and start running again just to make sure that on this format is working good. So you see Canberra is the capital of Australia. It stays in the same format, which is pretty good. If I press the cheat button, are you sure you want to do this? Yeah, show me the answer. True. If I press the back button here, and if I press true, shows up cheating is wrong. So, yep, that's everything that we have. So, pretty much inside of the application, we find out that everything works perfectly fine and was supposed to do. And if I rotate the phone keeps going over and over, and the application doesn't crash, which is pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna stop here the emulator real quick, and I'm gonna go over the application. So pretty much here in the application, I open activity sheet.xml, which I put some functionality for the cheat button. So I press here and put a are you sure you wanna do this, where the text had appeared, and show answer for the other button to show if it's true or if it's false for the kind of question that we are doing so far. And the main activity, pretty much we just got some binding purposes to know if the question, the cheat button here is working. So if it's true, quiz bottle. If it's wrong, it's not gonna show up anything. And here in the back we got private fun, check answer, is cheater for question, cheating is wrong, correct or incorrect. And the toast to get back the message showing the true or false, and also to show up the cheating process is wrong. So that's a piece of functionality, and pretty much we already got everything else from last week on start, on resume, on pause, on stop, and on try, as we are supposed to do. So that's pretty much from this work homework. I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.